Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you and I am going to show you how to make savory rice with chicken and prawn gravy. So it's a big recipe that I am going to do so that it's a full meal like. So we'll see how it is done and what we are going to do with this. First thing I want to use here, cinnamon, cardamom, we are using a few maize also, and 1 star anise. Now what I am going to do is, I just want that to be roasted slightly and then we put the oil and a little butter or ghee, but I prefer to use the butter at this point to mix it. Then we need onions, capsicum chilies, curry leaves and pandan leaf, that is rampa. Stir fry all this. When it gets stir fried a little, slightly color changes, we will add the rice. That is, either you can use sambar rice or basmati rice, we can use here. I am using 2 cups of rice. Along with that, salt, turmeric. Now I am going to use the tomatoes and chicken cube. This is the savory rice that we are preparing now to give a good taste and flavor. For 1 cup of rice, I need 2.5 cups of water. So if I am going to use 2 cups, 5 cups of water I need. I am going to use a little chicken stock also. Now I took only a 3/4 cup of stock. Balance I am going to add water. So 1, 2, 3, I'll use 4, and if it is necessary we can add a little more later on. We mix nicely, cover, and we are going to cook the rice now. It's going to be a savory rice prepared. Meanwhile, we have other things to do. The rice is getting cooked. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the chicken and the prawns. The chicken first. The chicken pieces I have cut into small pieces, and that always we have to use a little turmeric, a bit of salt first. When the water dries up, whenever we use chicken, we need a little soy sauce which we will add. I am not using the oil or anything at the moment, but a little soy sauce. Only the soy sauce we have put, we haven't still added any oil as such, but I am using the tomato puree also. Let it get cooked in the soy sauce itself. Without getting burnt, we'll add a little oil, not a big quantity, but a little oil. When the chicken gets roasted only, I am going to use the prawns. If you like only, you use chicken and prawns or only chicken. Turmeric is very important for all the cooking purpose. Right? Mix it nicely and keep it ready. Now I am going to use the prawns. Once I use the prawns, some more tomato puree or tomato paste you can use. Now this has got roasted well, I would say. I am going to make a gravy with that. So I kept the stock. We need at least 1.5 cups of stock. Let it get boiled. Suppose if the chicken is not cooked well, this is the time to get cooked. Now see what I am doing is, I have taken the balance stock. I have to put corn flour. Corn flour. I need at least 2 teaspoons of corn flour used into this. Sauce. Now I am going to leave at this stage and I have to grind a few ingredients. We will grind those ingredients. Now we will keep this at this stage. I am going to off the cooker. To get better flavor and taste, we are going to grind a few ingredients. That is dry chilies, about 6 or 8 dry chilies, and then we need ginger and a few pipes of garlic. Along with that, cumin seed. About 1.5 teaspoon cumin seed also we have used. All that together with a little water we will grind to a paste. Now we will take this off. See how it is, because it's been ground to a nice paste here. Into this gravy, now I am going to add the paste. Along with that I am using green peas and a little curd also. Okay. It has to get cooked a little more because we use the curd as well as the ground ingredients. This is ready now. We boiled it, cooked well, allowed to simmer, and this gravy is ready. Now we can see the rice is ready and the gravy with chicken and prawns are ready. So we will see how we are going to dish it out and serve. See the preparation that we are doing here. It's really nice. You don't have to go out and have a meal. I'm sure you will enjoy preparing these type of preparation and say that you did it. You can see the full meal of its own and you can try it out and see it's a full wholesome meal like. Thank you so much for watching this program.